How to get text on iPad without iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to receive text on your iPad without needing an iPhone. If you're looking to streamline your communication directly through your iPad, you're in the right place. So first, let's clarify the two types of messages you can encounter on Apple devices. We have the green bubble messages, which are SMS text sent through your carrier. These require an SIM card. So let's focus on the blue bubble message, also known as iMessages. So this is the message used by Apple that works over the internet. You can use iMessage on your iPad even if you don't have a SIM. So to set it up, you'll need to go to the settings and then scroll down, tap on apps, and then on the search bar, search for messages. Tap on it and then you can see iMessage here. Just toggle it on. And now you can even send text on iPad without iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.